Buc-ee's. I got a sausage on a stick. I got some chips. Just so I can wake up, y'all, because I am tired. I can't wait to get home. I'm about to crash. I can't even open it. Ah. Mmm. These are good. These are called Uglies. Kettle potato chips, cheddar, and sour cream. Oh, they're so good. All right, back to a regular schedule. I'm 2 hours away from home. Let's go. Let's get it. Cut this air back on because it is 83 degrees, y'all, and it's not even summertime. It's not even springtime. This is gonna be hard to. I'm gonna let it cool down, y'all. So today, oh my gosh, I need a stand. Somebody please remind me in the comments to buy a stand for the car. Whew, let's get it. I'm so tired. Push through. This is a new vlog. I am on my way home from Houston. If you've seen the last vlog, oh no, I ended it on Saturday. But I left today, y'all. I left like at 12 something, going on 1. Yeah, I wanted to beat traffic, but I was in traffic for 23 minutes right outside of Houston, north side, y'all. But hey guys, I'm sorry I didn't speak to you guys. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey fam, hi y'all. That's not right. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Tiffany, and I hope you guys like it here. If you do, please make sure you subscribe to your girl channel. And to all my returning subscribers, hey fam, how y'all been? Welcome back. Yes, we are on the road back home to Dallas, trying to get there. I stopped at Buc-ee's. I didn't record because there was so many people in there. If y'all don't know what Buc-ee's is, that is the known store to stop at when you're traveling through. That's a known store to stop at when you're traveling through Texas. It has everything in there. Pulled pork sandwiches. They have their own chips. They have all type of stuff. It's a big known store. So when you're traveling through Texas, please make sure y'all stop. Y'all gonna love it. I like it. The bathrooms are clean. I don't get gas from there, but they have coffee. They have everything. So stop there. Yeah. So yeah. I'll check back in with you guys once we get, I'm going to stop again once I get to half of a tank because I want to fill back up. I don't want it to get on low. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy y'all weekend, and I hope y'all enjoy y'all Sunday because it's so beautiful outside. I'm spinning on the road. It's beautiful. It's warm. The sun is shining. Yeah, and I'm just catching up on my YouTube videos. Yep. So let me get back to it. Y'all made it home. I'll show y'all my I'm gonna show y'all my the polish that I got. The angle is weird. From Amazon. Open it up. Alright, it came in a package like this. Let's see. Alright, this is the box. Cute. I got red. I didn't open it when I left because I was busy rushing. And here's the bottle. And this is an A222. Alright, let's see how it looks. Ooh, I can't wait to use it. This is so red. I love it. I love it. I just wanted to show y'all this. I can't wait to wear it, y'all. But I didn't take a shower, y'all. I feel so good. I can't wait to lay down in my bed. But I'm about to watch Netflix. I'm about to watch the movie with Kelly Rowland. I heard it wasn't good, so I will come back and let y'all know my opinion of it, because you can't go off of everybody's opinion. So I'm gonna watch it and see what it's hitting for, and I'll let y'all know. So let me start watching this movie. I'll come back and let y'all know. Hey guys, I stopped at Walmart because it's 45 degrees out here in Dallas, and I'm making some chili. So got my Chit, got my chili pack, chili powder. I got some honey, two strawberry vanilla Olippops. I love this flavor. Got some mild Rotel, a little snacky snack for work, and my ground turkey. And that's what we're making tonight. So y'all, today was a better day at work today, which I'm excited about. I really need to drink this Olipop, and then this weekend I'm gonna do a detox. So that is on the agenda. All right. I don't think I'm gonna cook right now because my life group meeting is today. And when y'all, how am I a life group leader? And I've been in the streets and I haven't did the assignment, and I'm telling them, hey, come prepared. Your life group leader is not prepared. Y'all, I feel bad. I feel bad, but you know what? I can't shame myself. I can't. I just need to carve out time, you know? So I'm about to prepare for life group. I'm sitting on this side because the lighting is much better this way. So we're about to prepare for that. And then we're going to probably start cooking because the meeting don't start till 7 and it is 5:34. So let me get into this and I'll come back to y'all afterwards, and maybe I'll record the life group meeting. I'm not sure yet. It's very intimate, but I'll talk to y'all later, okay? Y'all, the meeting is about to start in 20 minutes, so let me prepare. I need to get my charger. All right, y'all. So I did everything. It's cold in here. Put my cardigan on. Whew. It is so cold. All right. All these napkins can go in my car. Let's take y'all to the kitchen. I don't even think I want to eat tonight. I don't know. I have this old turkey meat that probably needs to go outside and not in here. I need to start, when I vlog, I need to start uploading it to my iPad and edit, because doing it all in one session is not good. Not good at all. I need to learn how to be more productive, y'all. Like, I'm slacking. I'm really slacking. I really need discipline. I really need discipline. I need to work on that. I need to work on that, and I need to work on working out. That's discipline as well. I need to work on it. I'm gonna call y'all back because my friend is calling me.
I'm very easy in the sense of I understand. Like, I'm very understanding. I give people the grace that I would want, but the other edge to that sword is I feel like people know that they can get by on me because they know.
That's a good one too. I think I have a struggle with boundaries and sometimes saying no when someone asks you to do something and you like, I want to say no, but then I don't want to say no, and they know that you're gonna always be there, and then when you say no and they're like, you don't want to, this is my first time saying no.
Started like creating boundaries, and it was honestly hard because I had to really stick it out, and then I was like, ooh, maybe I should call back and be like, it's okay, but I'll do it. I'm an overthinker. Yes.
Me too.
Yes.
Me too.
So, you don't want to say yes.
Yes, and when you say no, you think about it, you think hard, and then you call it back and be like, okay, I'll do it, and you like, right. You should have said yes in the beginning. We're gonna get better at that, y'all. We're gonna get better.
Over time that I had to give people a little bit more grace. And so when I'm going into a situation, my goal was automatically to diffuse it.
All right, y'all, the chili is done. Chili is done. I don't think I'm gonna eat tonight. I don't know. I may eat. But I have to pick up, I have to shower, and yeah, so my house, I'm not even gonna say it, but y'all, life group meeting was pretty good. I enjoyed this session. So only 3 of the girls was able to join the call, so it's 4 of us all together on the call. And we had a good discussion. I really enjoyed it. Our next meeting is not until March something. I forgot, I gotta look on the calendar. And we're gonna do an outing. I think we're gonna do brunch. So I'm gonna add little clips in of that. I'm gonna record that, but I'm not letting them know that I have a YouTube channel. I don't know why, but maybe I will, because that's kind of being fake, huh, y'all? And I ain't fake. I'm real. I laugh at my own jokes. Wow. But no, I'm going to record that. Why am I even thinking about that right now? That's not until March. March is a day away. No, February was it was a good month. I moved. I went to Houston. I enjoyed myself. Yeah. So I'm about to clean up or pick up my little mess, and then I'm going to shower. And then I'm gonna eat my dinner, even though it's kind of late, but I'm gonna eat. I'm I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry. I'm gonna watch. I have to really pick up my living room. It look junky to me. Y'all, it do. I forgot what I had to tell y'all. Honestly, I really forgot what I had to tell y'all. Cut this light off. Oh, we'll go to the other side. Y'all, I cannot see. All right. Oh. So, so what I want to talk about is, when you gotta scratch your hair, your scalp. Yeah, my hair gets so oily so fast. Well, it's been a week. Tomorrow make a week that my hair has been flat iron. And it held up. And I really haven't been putting heat on it. So yeah. Y'all, so I got home and I was on the phone with my mama because I was trying to find outfits for my next trip. And I found my outfit, y'all, and I'm excited. I'm gonna see that my chili that I made yesterday. Bam, I still didn't get any rice, so we're not eating it with rice. They didn't have the original Cheez-It, so I got extra cheese because I love cheese. And we also doing, this is why, so, don't mind me. I'm being greedy. All right, y'all need to mind y'all business. Mind your business. Y'all don't need my passcode. All right.
It's Mommy's birthday, guys. What's up to my cousins? Every year, what do I usually do for you? We always get a massage, and we always go and get the bee sting. But today, something different.
Today, something different.
I'm
and I'm
so
excited.
I am. I'm really excited.
You are?
Yes.
She thought she
Yeah.
knew you was going to get a massage, baby. Yeah.
Well, this is the video I just found. Y'all might not like it, but
Every like running.
they went to Motown Museum. I want to go so bad. Y'all, to know me is to know that I love me some Motown, some Temptation. There was music. Okay? There was music. But I'm going to eat this, chill, and I think we're going to do a mask tonight. So y'all, I am looking for music for my vlog. I want to upgrade my vlogs, y'all. So the camera that I have, I don't know what I can do. I really don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I really don't know. Maybe I'll try it out, but I just don't like the quality of it, and I was gonna buy a new camera, but I'll see. I don't know what I can do. I don't know, but right now I'm just looking for music and see what I can find. I really can't find anything. Nah, I ain't feeling it. No. No. Okay, well this is. Nope. Pause that. Don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, I'm struggling. Okay, I like steak. Let me stop. I found some good music, y'all. I did. So now what I'm about to do, I'm about to get my flash drive and I'm about to import them to my flash drive so it won't be keeping all the storage on my, let me sit right here. It won't be keeping all the storage on my iPad, but I'm coming right back. My niece calling me. Tell me why I thought I lost my stuff. I'm about to be mad. I made some scrub. I'm gonna use this to scrub my lips. So I just made it with sugar, coconut oil, vitamin E oil. My lips feel so smooth. Alright, now we're gonna go into the face. And I'm using the Good Molecule Clarify and Cleanse Bar. dry. Now we're gonna go in with moisturizing oatmeal mask by First Aid Beauty, and it's the Ultra Repair oatmeal mask. Okay, and you're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. Add some eye patches. I forgot where I got them from, but you know, do a little eye patch. So crazy. I can't find the. There it go. I hope it don't rip. There we go. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Alright, y'all, I done took my shower. I washed the oatmeal mask off my face. Now I'm gonna go in with the Ordinary toner. I usually put on a cotton round, but I see the girlies doing this. So, oh, my nose ring was hanging by a thread. Just took it off. Let's see if I do like that, if it'll work. I don't know. And then we're gonna let that sit. And we're gonna add our Ordinary niacinamide. And next we're gonna go in with the Good Molecule discoloration correcting serum. Moisturizer. All right, and we're done. All right, guys, I am fully showered, face washed, body moisturized. And now, your girl is about to make some tea. And I'm not talking about no regular type tea. I am about to drink some detox tea because I feel constipated, guys. I do. So we're about to make that tea, so let's get to it. some regular cold water because when I get out the shower, I be so thirsty. Whew. I needed that. And then I got my tea. So what I showed you was this one is the off-brand ballerina tea. I found it at Ross, but I will link the ballerina tea, which I usually purchase on Amazon, in the description box below. I use 2 bags with 8 ounces of warm water. I add like a spoonful of honey because I want mine to have a little flavor, but you don't have to. But in the morning, you'll be on the toilet for, I would say, for that day and maybe the next day as well. So the tea has been sitting for about 3 minutes and the color has darkened. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sipping on it. And you need to sip on it like while it's warm. So I'm just sitting here on my sofa watching YouTube and chilling. I'm not doing anything this weekend, y'all. Today was not a really good day for me. Yeah, I don't want to talk about it, but we moved. I did a little self-care. I came home and I cleaned up. Yeah, so we moved from the situation. There's nothing I can do about it. I want to go to a dog shelter, so I may go Saturday or Sunday. Just go and look at animals. Because I don't know, I thought about it today at work. I was like, I want to go to the animal shelter. And when my coworker was like, you should go. And I was like, because I'm tired of being by myself. Honestly, I am. If I have a little puppy dog, just me, him, or her, whatever, I don't mind the gender as long as they're fixed. So I'm gonna think about getting a puppy. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna think about it because I be gone. Who go watch my baby? Who go watch my dog? I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I'm not doing anything tonight, so I'll probably end the night off here. It is 9 something, and probably after I drink this, I'm probably gonna move my way to my bedroom and lay it down, get up in the morning, and I don't know, hopefully I'll be able to sleep in. We shall see. I would love to do my lashes tomorrow. Wax. I could do that. I could do that tomorrow. Or should I do it before my trip? So I'm going somewhere in, I think it'll be next week, in 1 week. Not the week after next. So yeah, 1 week, I guess. So I'll definitely be vlogging that. I hope y'all like it because I'm excited. I'm super duper excited, y'all. But yeah, I hope y'all have a good weekend and I'll see y'all tomorrow. I don't know. Alright guys, pause this. I done got dressed and I have on these glasses that I got in a set from Amazon when I went on vacation. Y'all, I have on a basic outfit. I just threw anything together. I don't care. We're going to a doggy shelter. I decided to get dressed and go out because it's nice outside. So I just threw on anything. I just have these shades on from Amazon again that I got in the set. I can link it if you guys want it. I have on my necklaces that I got from AliExpress like years ago. My African necklace and my year that I was born necklace. And then I have this Skims dupe top that I got from Shein, jean jacket, don't know where I got it from, and my jeans that I got from Ross. They're two different color denim. Who cares? We move. And my gray Adidas, gray Adidas shoes. So this is how the fit looks. Very simple cash. And I don't know what bag I'm gonna wear, so let's look in the closet and see what we got. I have this denim bag, but that's too much going on. And then they have silver hardware stuff, so that's not gonna work. Let's see. Brown Louis Vuitton bag. Old Faithful, but I don't know where the chain is. Oh, there we go. Got the chain, so I'm gonna switch the hardware out that I want. So there we go. I'm gonna go with her, and let's maybe turn off some lights, and we're gonna check the fit again with the bag. It's gonna do. It gotta do. It's gonna work today. Y'all see the little stomach out? I'm feeling a little sexy. All right, y'all, let me pick up and then we gonna head out. It's hot outside. It's so freaking hot. It was just cold and it's 80 degrees today. It's not even summertime. It's not springtime. All right, y'all, we're on our way to the shelter. It is 19 minutes away from us. So, yeah, it looks like I probably won't be out all day. It's too hot. I ain't dressed for the weather. So, yeah, just coming here to give y'all updates. Let's go see some puppy dogs here. I'm super duper excited. We about to see what's out here. Let me put on this jacket because my stomach is out. And it's hot. I just want to see what animals they have. That's it. That's all. I forgot to put on perfume, so I put on this body spray. All right, let's go in. Whew. Look. Oh, now he want to make noise. This one, I don't like chihuahuas. He was cute. Oh, look at him. You gotta let it go. Go get it. Go get it. Yay! Yay! All right, 1, 2, 3, go get it. Yay! Oh, come on. Yo, that whole experience, it was nice, but it was also sad. Like to see all of those dogs in there, and they just, some of them look so sad, and then when you take them out, they don't even want to go back in the and they don't want to go back in the cage. Like, it's just so sad. sad to see that. Like I was tearing up in there. I really was. And it's hard to see. And the dog that I was looking at, she's a shepherd mix, so she's gonna be right. So I got cut off, y'all, while I was trying to let y'all know about the dog that I was looking at. She's a German shepherd mix, so she's gonna be big, too big for her to be in my apartment. So yeah, she was a little cutie, but I want a small dog, you know. So yeah, I just went to look, but I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the day. It is a nice day outside, so I might change my clothes and I might start up another video because this video is getting pretty lengthy, and I'll start the rest up for next week vlog, a little bit of today and then the rest of next week. So what's coming up in my vlog is we got next week, so I need to be prepping for my trip for the week following, y'all. I can't wait. I'm excited, you know. I don't want to keep this vlog long. I am going to start the next vlog up, so I'll talk about that more in the next vlog. But if you guys stay for the full length of the vlog, thank y'all so much. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please make sure you like it. Like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed so far, subscribe to the fam. Become part of the fam, guys. Become part of the fam. Let's get these subbies up, you know. But yeah, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.